That is amazing. You can even see the... Yeah, it's 3 layers of clouds.
Yeah, I know. They're all going different directions.
Because I can see one layer of clouds go south. The second layer looks like it's going west, and the other one is going north. I never saw anything like this.
That way and going that way.
Can this thing zoom? No, that's as far as it's going to zoom up. But look, yeah. It's like the clouds on the left and then the clouds on the right are like slowly closing up on each other.
Yeah. Look over here towards Bob. That's great. This got blown all the way over here.
I guess so.
Pay attention to the news. And if a tornado hits, you know where I'm going?
Where?
Underneath the stairs.
Yeah.
But isn't that pretty cool though?
That is cool.
I've never seen the layers of clouds like that.
It's starting to rain.
It is?
Yeah. I'm gonna get onto the tramp real quick. See if I can get that this one gap of clouds over here. I probably can't because of the trees, but that is incredible. I never saw storm clouds do that before. And what's also pretty cool is that it looks like there's cumulus and nimbus clouds just stacking onto each other. Yeah, you guys can see the nimbus and the cumulus clouds just stack onto each other. Hold on. This phone. But look at those clouds. It's like you can tell how powerful the wind is up there. that's about it. Leave a like, subscribe, have a nice day or a nice night.